See this is the vendor balance. We have to pay this amount to vendor. Next step is to make the payment to vendor. I will close unnecessary sessions. I will close this /I. Here I am going to open F-53 for making the payment. See here I mentioned 43. This is not 43. This is 53. I will correct this. Go to F-53. This is the vendor number. Copy this number. Control Y. Copy. 31102020. Making payment to vendor. We need to select bank account from where we are making this payment. There are many accounts in this chart of account. We will select any one, dummy account, bank, check payable. I will select this one. Select any one, since this is for testing only. Here we have 1600 GL accounts. We don't know which GL is created for which purpose. I am taking this one since I can see there is a bank description. This testing payment. Enter here vendor number. By default document selected is KZ. Here this is KZ document. Now process open items. If everything is okay, we are not going to get any issue. See here 23. This change this to 20. Doesn't exist. Click on this. Maybe we need to select this by company code. Select this. I am going to select by company code. Remove this. Press enter. Here we are getting 500 only. This is because of the restrictions placed here. Click on this. Remove these restrictions. Press enter. Select this one. All these are bank accounts only. Select check payable. Press enter. Amount is 450. Amount is 450. We are going to make the payment to vendor. And process open item. See, ensure that here it is 0. This is selected. 450 means selected. Double click on this one. See, here it is unselect, not assigned. Double click on this one. It is assigned. This open item is assigned to this payment. Click on simulate. This is the entry system is going to post. Vendor account debit to bank account. Post this. We don't have any issues. Now go and check line item report. Refresh this. See, it got cleared. Automatically cleared. You can see this here in cleared item. Select a cleared item. Cleared means, see, open means payable, cleared means paid, all items means payable plus paid items. Execute. See, this is in green, cleared. Hope you understand. This is the complete process. Watch this class couple of times until you get a fair idea about the whole process and about the reports also. Whatever the reports I mentioned here, these are widely used report. If you get any job in any organization, you are going to use maximum T codes mentioned here. Thank you very much.